So maybe you're new to KVCore, or maybe you've had KVCore for a while, but you haven't taken the steps to use it effectively. Or maybe you're shopping different CRMs, trying to figure out which CRM works best for you and which one you would like to use. Well, you've come to the right channel for KVCore. My name is Frith. I'm a realtor, and I've been using KVCore for several years now, and I have found it to be one of the most effective and helpful CRMs available on the market. And on my channel, we're going to be just covering some basic tips that you can implement on a daily basis to help you take advantage of what KVCore can do for you. If you're looking for more of like a large tutorial and a 20 or 30 minute tutorial, there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube that can help you walk through that. That's not what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying to keep it simple and short, 5 to 10 minute videos to show how you can use the tools KVCore has quickly and effectively to save time. So thank you for checking it out. Subscribe so you know when new KvCorey videos hit on YouTube. See ya.